Hey, it's nighttime. I thought I'd give you an update. No lights out here, but there is that little sensor right there, that little vertical sensor. It feeds down in here. The video I saw, this was open. You could get to it, but on the model I got from Sportsman's warehouse, that's closed in. So feeding that cable down in there was kind of difficult. You take this faceplate off, and that's where your circuit board is, and then you disconnect the only set of cables that are running this way to remove it. But getting it pushed back in is like pushing a rope, and that's not easy. But I got it, and this thing rocks now. It's back to full as 500 degrees. So, and we're using Traeger pellets in Camp Chef. Oh no! But that's the model. It's the Sportsman's warehouse model. And what was the other thing I wanted to say about this? The Bluetooth is hit or miss on this, like monitoring it and stuff. So that's about it. Hope this helps. I ordered the RTD, they call it, the remote temperature device, on Amazon. It was like 18 bucks or 20 bucks. It got here in 2 days. So you can do it. You might have some F-bombs because it is kind of tough. Oh, that's what it was. The packaging, when the way they loop that cable, you need to unloop it and straighten it out and slide it through your hands and get it all straightened out, because if you don't, it tends to want to kink and roll over on itself, and you'll pinch your wires, and then you could damage them. So there you go.